Hey guys, today I'll show you how to create your own email server using aaPanel so that you can send and receive email messages on your own private VPS. So it's been a while since I have created a tutorial for this, and I believe it's a good time to create an updated version. So you'll need to have a VPS. So I suggest get a Dark Node VPS and a domain from Namecheap. So okay, let's start. So at least get a 4 GB of RAM. So the minimum will be 2 GB, but I suggest get a 4 GB of RAM. So I will just quickly log into my Dark Node VPS. Okay, so I am here on my Dark Node VPS, and first thing you need to do is change your host name and reverse DNS. So I will just quickly change this to mx.webshanks.store. Okay, I'll just click update host name. Then we will go to network and go to reverse DNS. And we will change this to mx.webshanks.store. I'll just copy the IP before. So this is my IPv4 and IPv6. So both have a PTR entry of mx.webshanks.store. So let's go back. And now we will create an initial DNS record, or rather the initial DNS records on Namecheap. So we will create an A record first. Okay, let's go to advanced DNS and we will add an A record. Will be at, and let's just copy our IPv4 and we'll save. We'll add another A record for MX. Okay, we will save this one. And for our mail settings, let's go to custom MX. So that will be at for our host, and it will be mx.webshanks.store. For priority, it will be 10, and we will just click save. So now let's add an SPF and DMARC. So we will go to our blog for reference. Okay, so for our SPF, this is the value, and we will change our IPv4 and IPv6 respectively. Let's go back. Okay, we will add another record. So I forgot my IPv6, so I'll add quickly my IPv6 first. So I'll just paste it here, click save. Okay, for MX, could be MX. Click save, and we will just copy this one. And we will add a text record for our SPF. So that will be at. So we will change the IPv6. So this is the IPv6. Okay, we'll remove that one. We'll paste. And our IPv4. Okay, we'll change this one. Okay, so all good. And I'll just quickly change this to tilde and click save. So for our DMARC, we will add that one later on. So now we will connect to our server. So we will use a free SSH client called Bitdevice, and we'll just copy the public IP. So this is the IP before. Just paste it here. Use port 22 and your username is root. And if you want to secure your server, don't use a password based login. Instead, use an SSH key. So I have created a tutorial for that. So for now, let's just use username, and I'll just quickly copy the root password. Okay, so we will log in, accept and save. We'll paste our password and click new terminal console. Okay, so we will update our server. So do apt date. So we'll wait for a few minutes. Okay, so now let's install aaPanel. We'll use this script. Copy this one. We'll paste it here and hit enter. Just choose Y and we'll wait for the installation to finish. Okay, so we have successfully installed aaPanel. We will access this using this address. We'll open it in a new tab. Okay, we will log in. Okay, so okay, we will install the necessary software packages. Okay, we will use Nginx. So that will be, you can also use Open Lightspeed for faster web speed. You will use MariaDB, will be 11. Okay, we will use PHP 8.3 and we will check this DNS server as well as mail server 6. Okay, we will just click this one click, and it will take some time for the installation to finish. So just grab some coffee or tea. So now we have finished installing the necessary software packages. We'll close this one. So now we will go to settings and we will set a panel access. So instead of using an IP address to access our aaPanel, we will use panel.webchunks.store, or you can use your own. And we will add an A record for our panel. So let's go back to our domain register. We'll add an A record. So that will be panel. I'll just quickly copy my IPv4 and we'll save this one. Let's go back to our aaPanel and we'll wait for a few minutes so that our A record will start propagating. Then we will just click save. And we will access our aaPanel using our subdomain. Okay, so it'll be webchunks. So sorry, it will be panel.webchunks.store and our security token and our port. So hit enter. Click advanced. And let's proceed. Okay, we will log in using this username. And let's access our aaPanel. Okay, so now we have securely accessed our aaPanel. So now we are using an SSL, but the connection is still not secure. We will go to settings again and let's modify our SSL. We will use let's encrypt and we will choose DNS verification. So we will enter our panel domain. So we will now connect to our domain management center and we will log into our aaPanel account. If you don't have, just create one and it is absolutely free. Okay, we will log in. Okay, first we will add a domain. Let's go to website. We'll add site. This will be panel.webshanks.store and we'll click confirm. Let's go to SSL. So just click not set. Go to let's encrypt. Select all. So we will choose this one and just click apply. So now we have an SSL for our panel. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, great. Okay, we'll click install certificate now. Okay, then we will refresh this. And now our connection is secure. Okay, we will close this one. And now let's go to App Store and find mail server. So I have recently used it once. Okay, just click setting, click confirm, and just click submit. Great, now we will add domain. So that will be webshanks.store. For the A record, that will be mx.webshanks.store. And this is our IPv4. And let's just quickly copy that one, paste it here. Okay, then we will go to DKIM. Okay, we will add a text record. Go to Namecheap and we will add a text record. So this will be the host and we'll copy the key and paste it here and click save. And for DMARC, we'll copy this one. We'll add a text record again. Okay, we'll just copy the value. Okay, let's save. Okay, let's verify the domain name resolution. Okay, good. Okay, so now we will add an SSL for our domain. Okay, we will use manual resolution. We'll check this one and we will click apply. Okay, great. So we will close this one. Then we will add a user. So we will add a user, machine, Shane at webjobs.store. So for our password, we'll just use a secure one and we'll click submit. We will close this one and let's try to send an email. So we will go to mail tester. Okay, we'll copy this one. Okay. Hello. How are you? Be Shane. Okay, we will send and let's see if we have configured our email server correctly. Great. So our score is 10 over 10. Okay, next we will connect our mail server to Thunderbird or your favorite email client. So I'll be using Thunderbird. Okay, I will put my full name and my email address. Then I'll paste password here and we'll click continue. And all good. I will click done. And just click finish. And now you have connected your email server to your email client. And okay, we have sync our IMAP. So now if you want to warm up your server, you can use Smart Lead. Let's go to Smart Lead. So let's get started. Okay, we'll add Shane. Will be Shane at webshanks.store. So we'll use a password, a secure one. Will be webshanks.store. So let's create an account. Okay, let's go back to our email client and okay, we have received the verification email and we'll copy this one and paste it here. Okay, just follow this instructions right here. Okay. Let's go to email accounts. We will use SMTP. So from name, Bishane at webshank.store. So username is the same. For our host, that will be mx.webshank.store. We will use TLS and your email password. You can start with 25. So for IMAP, the same, mx.webshank.store. We'll use port 993. Okay, all good. And let's click save. Okay, let's go to warm up. Then we will enable warm up. Click OK. Okay, let's go to email accounts. And our warm up has been enabled. You can add more emails by creating an email here. Okay, just go to users, add user, for instance, Martin at webshanks.store. Enter the password. and just click submit. Then you can add another account. So we'll add an account. We will use SMTP, be Martin at webshanks.store. The same username, paste it here, mx.webshanks.store. We will use TLS, the same IMAP settings. Okay, all good. Just click save. And let's go to warm up. Set this to 5 and just click enable warm up. Then let's go to email accounts. And now you have 2 emails. And watch your warm up reputation increase by checking this daily. So that's it. This is how to set up an email server using aaPanel, and you can send and receive email messages using this method. You can also use this for cold email marketing or private email. So I don't suggest or recommend this using as your spam server. I don't recommend that because your IP will get blacklisted and your server will suspend you. So I hope this tutorial help you in any way. So if you have any questions, just comment them down and I'll try to answer them all. If this video helped you in any way, please hit like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next video.